Catch the trend before it's gone. Create stunning hybrid animal videos like a pro, fast, and effortlessly. These videos are blowing up with millions of views in no time. And here's the best part. You can make one yourself in just a few minutes. In today's video, I'll break down the entire process so you can jump on this trend too. In today's video, I'll show you how to make eye-catching AI visuals that are sure to grab attention. Stick around from start to finish, because you don't want to miss a single step in this quick and easy guide. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more trending videos. To kick things off, we'll enlist the help of ChatGPT to generate the image prompts. You'll create two images. The first one with the animals facing each other, and the second with a hybrid form that combines both animals. Open ChatGPT and in the text box, type this. Asterisk, create a prompt for an image of two animals in a forest, like an elephant and an eagle, facing each other. Asterisk, then hit enter, and ChatGPT will work its magic to give you a detailed prompt for the first image. Next, type in the text box again to create the second prompt for the hybrid form of the animals. Enter this. Asterisk, create a prompt for an image of a hybrid between an elephant and an eagle, using the same background as the previous image. Asterisk, using the same background helps the video flow smoothly. Now, we'll use IDEOGRAM to create these images, though you can use any AI image generator. Sign up for IDEOGRAM using your Google account. Copy the first prompt and paste it into IDEOGRAM. Before you click the Generate button, change the dimension to 9:16, then click Generate. In a few moments, you'll see the generated images. Return to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the second image, and paste it into the IDEOGRAM input box. Again, change the aspect ratio to 9:16, then click Generate. Once the image is created, don't forget to download it. Next, we'll turn these images into a video using Kling AI. Create an account by signing in with your email or Google account. On the left side of the page, click on AI Videos, then switch to the Image to Video section. Before adding the images, enable the Add in Frame option, which helps create a smooth transition between images. Now, upload your images. Place the first image in the first upload field and the hybrid image in the second. Below the uploads, you'll see a text prompt box. Here, write a description of the video, such as asterisk, two animals leap towards each other, colliding in the air. As they clash, they merge into a hybrid beast. Asterisk, once everything is set, click the Generate button. The AI will process the images and create the video in just a few minutes. Note that each video uses 10 credits. After the video is created, click Download. If the video isn't long enough, simply disable the Add-in Frame option and upload only the hybrid image. Describe the action of the hybrid animal in the prompt section. Then click Generate. Once the video is created, download it. If Kling AI is delaying in terms of creating the video, you can use Hyper AI. Now, go to Canva and search for Shorts Video, then choose a blank page. Click on Uploads on the left side of the page and import the two videos from your device. Drag the first video onto the blank page and adjust its length. Add another slide, then drag the second video onto that slide. This will make the videos play consecutively. After adjusting the second video, click on the Share button, then select Download. Do not just watch this video. Take action now, and in the next month to come you will see the massive views, and you will also start earning on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel to get more great videos like this, and like the video if this was helpful. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.